In this video, I'll show you how to replace the driver's side headlight assembly on this 2020 Hyundai Elantra. A lot of videos out there will tell you that you need to drop the entire front bumper, but that's not the case if you're only doing one side. If you're replacing just a single headlight assembly, you only need to loosen the bumper on that particular side. It's quicker, easier, and you'll save yourself a lot of work. Let me show you how it's done. Turn your steering wheel all the way toward the passenger side. That will give you the extra clearance on the driver's side wheel well. Go to the top of the bumper and remove the trim piece just above the grille. There are 6 plastic push pins holding it down. Pop those out with your trim tool. Now remove the 2 10mm bolts on top of the headlight assembly. Then there's one 12mm bolt to remove as well. Next, remove the plastic push clips holding the fender liner in place. There's also one Phillips screw to take out. With the clips and bolts out, gently pull down the driver's side bumper corner. Remember, we're not removing the entire bumper, just loosening the side enough to slide the headlight out. Take your time here so you don't crack any tabs. Now you'll see the bulb harnesses on the back of the headlight assembly. Disconnect those by pressing the release tabs and pulling them off. Once everything's disconnected, lift the headlight assembly up and carefully maneuver it out of the bumper. Take your new headlight, slide it into place, and line up the mounting points. Next, we'll secure the mounting bracket onto the headlight assembly. It's held in place with 3 Phillips screws. Just snug them down evenly to make sure the bracket sits flush and supports the headlight properly. Now it's time to seat the headlight back in place. Now I'll lift the bumper from the center front and set it back into position. Then reconnect the bulb harness. Reinstall the one 12mm bolt and the 2 10mm bolts. Now snap the bumper corner back in, reinstall your fender liner push clips and the Phillips screw, and put the trim back on top of the grille with the 6 push pins. Close the hood and test your headlights, high beams, and turn signals to make sure everything's working properly. And then if you need to adjust your headlight beams, the right screw controls up and down, and the left screw moves side to side. I'll also cover proper headlight aiming in another video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this.